The number of Americans investing in assets, specifically into cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is growing. 1 out of 10 Americans is doing so. There are a lot of things that make crypto very attractive. The biggest one is the opportunity to make a lot of money, says President of Bonafide Wealth, Douglas Boneparth. But what are the other motivating factors pushing people into buying virtual coins? We're going to take a closer look at that, but before we continue, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click that like button and hit subscribe. The number one top reason more and more Americans have been investing into crypto is because of how easy it has become to buy, trade, and sell digital currencies. It's as easy as downloading an app of your choice and opening up a brokerage account. After that, you're all set to buy whatever tokens interest you most. Many are also choosing to invest for the potential long-term growth of their assets. This poses the least amount of risk versus other investing strategies because big substantial losses are less likely to occur. The intentions are to sit back as the price of the coins rise over a period of time and watch your investment grow to make profit. When holding on to assets long-term, there's no need to time the market to buy low and sell high for profit, which leads us to another reason why many are putting their money into cryptocurrencies. This riskier motivating strategy is specifically for those who seek to make quick gains in a very short period of time. Many crypto investors admitted to purchasing coins because of the possibility of a crypto blowing up, profiting huge gains. New launches on the market, social media hype, celebrity influencers, and big-name partnerships are all factors that temporarily play well and encourages investors to buy in, raising the coin's value. Unfortunately, the success of this type of investment is solely dependent on timing the market to pull out at peak highs before the price drops. The average American is also drawn towards cryptos because of excitement. Analysts do advise you to take caution if your sole purpose of investing is only out of excitement, as that leans more toward gambling. But there's nothing wrong with being excited. Cryptocurrencies rank 4th on popular assets after real estate, stocks, then mutual funds and bonds. The crypto market offers a wide range of coins, from penny meme coins that revolve around a fun-loving community like Dogecoin, to eco-friendly coins looking to reduce the carbon footprint around the world, like Cardano. There's thousands of cryptos listed on all different platforms. Whatever your interests may be, there's got to be some right for you. With any investment, it's best to do some research before you part with your money. The prices of cryptocurrencies are volatile and go up and down quickly. Just remember the most important rule. Don't invest what you can't afford to lose. We'd love to hear from you, so let us know down below in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more future investor content. Thanks for watching.